Hey, real quick, have you ever listened to your favorite album and felt like something was missing, like the emotion was there but the sound just didn't carry it all the way? That exact feeling is why I fell in with the Marantz PM6007. This is for the person who doesn't just play music, but feels it, someone who notices when vocals are smeared, when bass is flat, or when a mix just feels distant. If you're that listener, take a moment and check the current price and availability, because amps this well-made don't sit still at a good price for long. You know it was time to upgrade when your old setup started sounding tired, when quiet passages felt muddy and loud moments lacked nuance. I used to think speakers were all that mattered, but there's a point where the source and amplification reveal everything you've been missing. That realization hits quietly at first, like you're hearing all your music again for the first time. The very first time I fired this up, it felt like a veil lifted. Notes had space. Instruments breathed. Vocals were alive with detail. It wasn't louder, it was real. Once you feel that kind of refined clarity, going back feels like listening through fog. In real listening sessions, this amplifier just gets your music. Jazz feels intimate, rock has edge without harshness, and acoustic sets sound like the players are in the room with you. Even late-night listening stays smooth and controlled instead of tiring your ears. It doesn't just push sound, it shapes it with intention. And here's something important, don't sit on this idea while waiting for some imagined better deal. Solid gear with real performance often shifts in price and stock before you know it. If you're already thinking about it, that's the nudge you deserve. Maybe you're thinking this is just an amp and that any budget model would do. That's exactly where people get stuck. This isn't about labels or numbers on a spec sheet, it's about how music feels. This amp brings forward texture, depth, and presence that cheaper units simply gloss over. One thing that genuinely surprised me was how much more connected I felt to every track. Songs I'd heard 100 times suddenly had subtle harmonies and emotional cues I never noticed before. That kind of engagement doesn't show up in charts, you experience it. Owning the PM6007 doesn't make you loud. It makes you attuned. You don't have to defend your system to others, you just play music, and the sound does the talking. There's a quiet confidence in that, a feeling that your setup finally respects what you care about. Dynamics feel expressive and true textures reveal emotional detail. Quiet passages stay clear and warm loud moments stay rich, not harsh. Your music finally sounds complete. It's not the smallest box on the shelf and it isn't the cheapest component you'll find, but once you live with the way it transforms your listening, those details fade because sound finally feels right. At some point you stop comparing every little speck and start choosing what actually resonates with you. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you delay and regret every time your music feels flat again. Check the current price and availability now, trust your instincts, and step into the kind of sound experience that doesn't just play music, it reveals it.